So, ang mga staffs ng Angelic Learning Center ay nakabuo na idea na gumawa ng fundraising activities. At ito po ang nabuo mula sa kanilang mumunting idea. At ito po ay tinatawag natin na hitting two birds in just one stone. Bakit po? Kasi po, sa kanilang idea na magkaroon lang ng sound system para sa eskwelahan, ay dito po natin makikita ng ibang mga bata na mula sa iba't ibang level ng eskwelahan from preparatory up until grade 6, ay makikita po natin ang mga representante sa kanilang level. At atin pong makikita ang kanilang talento na mula sa poll ay hindi po natin nalalaman. So, sa ngayong gabi pa lang ito, sa gabing ito, malalaman natin kung anong potensyal ang mga batang ito na meron sila. Kasi hindi natin malalaman na one of these days or someday, ang mga batang ito makapunta sa show business o sa modeling company. Depende sa kanilang hilig. So, ganun pa man, ito ang pinakamalaking gabi sa mga batang ito. At para po sa inyo, sa mga nanonood at sa mga magulang na rin po, maraming salamat at magandang gabi po.
So that is the president of the Parents Teachers Association of the Angelic Learning School. So bago natin ipagpatuloy, partner, can I ask you something? Kumusta naman? What can you say about our candidates a while ago? What have you seen?
Actually, ang cute nilang lahat. You know what, yung nasa likod ko po JR, naalala ko nung bata pa ako, na sinasali ako ng parents ko sa mga gantong klaseng search.
Oo. Akala ko kasi ay ngayon hindi ka sinasali. Siguro nung bata ka medyo cute ka ngayon.
Ako naman ako
Bata. Siguro ngayon hindi na cute, kaya hindi ka na sinasali. Okay. So you're beautiful, especially tonight. Okay. So tonight, partner, all our candidates, our 11 candidates, 6 for Miss Angelic 2009 and 5 for the Mr. Angelic 2009 will be competing in 4 categories. So the first one, as you have seen, the
production number, and the next is Mr. and Miss Photogenic.
Yeah, but that is one of our special. Oh wow! So the second category we have the talent. The next we have the casual wear competition. We have the
Talent competition.
And the last one is the evening wear or the formal wear competition. So, lahat po ng ating candidates, makikita niyo po sila na nakasuot ng iba-ibang kasuotan ngayong gabi. As we have said, na-mention po namin yung 4 categories. And for the next one, they are preparing for the next one is, we have casual wear.
Presentation. For our special number, may we call on Miss Edelani Madela.
She's staring at me, I'm sitting wondering what she's thinking. Nobody's talking, he's talking, just turns into screaming. Now I'm yelling over her, she yelling over me. All that means is neither of us listening. We don't even remember what we're fighting. So all of us are meant for nothing, nothing. We will let it go for nothing, nothing. Should be nothing to allow the blowing gotta be the I know that sometimes it's gone away. But maybe can we make up now? 'Cause I can't sleep to the bed. Girl, I don't wanna go to bed, and I don't want you to go to bed. No, I don't heart, baby, when both of us